everyone, welcome back to the next episode of Chef Jill Does That. I am Chef Jill Sienna. We drop new recipes all the time, so make sure to click the bell below to subscribe for more recipes, and feel free to check out the website, chefjilldoesthat.com, for more tips and tricks. Today I'm going to show you a simple rice dish, fajitas, shrimp and vegetables. And if you have an Instant Pot or a rice cooker, you don't even need your stove. So let me show you the equipment and ingredients you will need. You'll just need your rice cooker or your Instant Pot, a measuring cup, and a stirring spoon. For this rice cooker fajita shrimp and rice dinner, you'll need 1 bag of frozen onion and bell pepper slices, a cup of cooked baby shrimp or diced, peeled, deveined, cooked medium shrimp, 3 tablespoons of fajita seasoning blend, a cup and a half of white rice or brown, and a 14-ounce can of diced tomatoes. Alright, now that we've got everything assembled, let's go. So there you go, another simple meal by Chef Jill Sienna. If you'd like a copy of the recipe, click in the description below for my website. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos as they come. Chef Jill does that, and so can you.